All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 8, Homework Help. So on the front, it says divide, show, or explain your method. It says your method. Doesn't say which one you have to use, does it? So we can do place value, but you're going to have to make 6 sections, right? 6 groups. Or, hold on, let me get that little bottom picture off there. There we go. Or, as I like to say it, the OPM method, the old person method. All right, let's set it up. 816 divided by 6. So, how many times can 6 hide inside of 8? It can only go in there one time. Okay, so now 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 can't go in 2, so let's bring down that 1. So now we have 6 going into 21. How many times can 6 go into 21? 6 times what equals 21? Can we do that? No, we can't. So we got to go before. So 6 and 6 is 12. That's 6 times 2. 6 times 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. So 18 is the highest we can go without going over 21. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll bring this down. Okay, now we have 36. 6 into 36. Can 6 go into 36? 6 times blank is 36. Yes, it does. 6 times 6 is 30. That's a terrible 6, Mr. Short. 36. We're at 0, 0. So our answer is 136. Explain your method. Well, you're going to have to tell me why you picked this and how you used it. All right. This is the main part, being able to solve the problems, the main part that matters. But if you want to do it the other way, you can do it the other way. But you got to be able to tell me why you picked this and why you think it's the best. Let's do that. Why you picked this one and why you think it's the best way to do it. If you do that, if you're not in my class, you're there for the teacher, your teacher's not going to be mad. They're going to be impressed. All right. Let's impress those teachers. All right. Our next one has kind of gotten in the way, so we'll just do that. There we go. 1,236 divided by 6. You can set this one up however you want. Again, if you're going to do it with the place value chart, remember you have your thousands, hundreds, tens. I just write tens there because there's 2 T's. Put TH for thousands if you want. Tens, ones. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots to do that this way. That seems like a lot. To me, it's a lot when we get messy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot to get messy. And you're going to have 1 there, 2 there, 3 there. Start. You're going to be breaking apart a lot of stuff because 1 won't go in. You can't put 1 into 6 times, right? I still say this is going to be your best bet this way. Okay, some of you might even be able to look at it. I see a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 6. You get to be my age. You've been doing this for a while. You can just look at this and see real quick, oh, I know the answer. I already got the answer. So I wrote down I had the answer. All right, take your time, look at it, see if you can figure it out. All right, work down the page. Make it easier. Show all your work. Do not do this in your head. Show your work in case you made a mistake. All right, on the back, it's showing us how they want us to solve it. It's setting up for us. So use this way. Number 4, fill in the blanks to complete the number line and the statement. So we have 5 feet broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 5 feet, 5 parts. Well, we have 0 inches, 12 inches, blank inches, 36 inches, blank, and blank. So 5 feet, there are blank inches in 5 feet. Well, we got one section here is 12. We don't have a number here. We got 1, 2, 3 sections here is 36. 12 and 36. So 0 to 1 is 12 inches. So does that mean we're counting by 12s? If you have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, would that equal 5 feet? Not giving you the answer on that one, but I gave you a pretty good clue. All right, number 5. A rectangular garden is 20 meters wide. The perimeter of the garden is 110 meters. What is the length? All right, so rectangular. Okay, it says wide. So if it's up there, it's also down there. All the way. Remember, perimeter is the distance around the outside. So P equals length. Oops, I almost put times. Length plus width plus length plus something underneath. Hold on. There's something under the paper that caught my pencil. Width. All right. So we got the width twice already. All right. We know the whole way this equals, let me write it down here so it's better. So P equals blank plus 20 plus blank plus 20 equals 110. Make sure you put that meters down there. Okay. So if it was me, I'd probably add these two together and then subtract it from this one and then divide it in 2. I know that's a lot. You know what? Let's do this one together. So we got 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. So I'll take 110 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 4. You can't do that. So I'm just going to look right here and see that this is 11 and just say 11 minus 4 instead of crossing stuff out. So 11 minus 4 is what? Yes, 7. Now we got to divide 7 by 2 because there's 2 spots. We need 2 sides. So it can't just be 70. So you need to know what number the same, because it's the same length, what number plus what number equals 70, or divide 70 by 2 real quick. How many times can 7 go inside? I'm sorry, how many times can 2 go inside of 7? Yep, 3 times. That gives us 6. Now we have 10 left over. How many times can 2 go into 10? That is correct. 5. So our answer is 35 and 35. So we should have 35 and 35. All right. There was a lot to that problem. That's why I helped you out with a little more. I'm realizing now this 2 doesn't look the greatest. All right. I hope that helps. Hey, look out pretty soon here. There's going to be some extra help stuff on my Teacher Pay Teacher page. You go over there. There's a lot of quizzes. I'm working on that right now. All right. There's quizzes A through F coming up, hopefully tomorrow, which should be December 9th. I'll be able to roll out a packet with all the quizzes in there. If not, it'll be out December 10th. All right. Again, this was your homework. Eureka Squared Math, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 8, homework help. Have a good night.